Other new arrival, the 1932 Chevrolet Confederate BA Series 5-window coupe. I love 5-window coupes.
Yep.
They're so cool.
They are.
And most people would mistake this car for a Model A.
They would.
People would go, oh, is that a Model A?
Yep.
No, it's not. It looks similar. Like I put the U in similar.
Yeah.
Dark blue and black over gray, 83,908 actual miles. This car is 1932, so that's 7 years away from 100 years old.
A lot of garage time.
A lot of garage. Older restoration, Art Deco styling, 3-speed manual, inline 6, which most of them had an inline 4 back in the era, so kind of cool to see that.
Very cool car.